All right, we're back at it. Another adjustment on the brakes, and we are for once going to fix the Bowden tube issue. Remember, I had to cut a piece off, so I've gone with the later 73, 74 style. It's a little bit longer. It's going to take care of my problem. And also, too, I've had some binding on my brakes, and I took the pedal assembly out. Notice it's got a 58 hook on a late model pedal. We're going to change that to an earlier style with a Zerk fitting and a roller pedal. So we're going to be up under here finishing things off. All right, here we go. Any day now, it's going to be a driver.